Hello and welcome. My name is Bailey and here I'm going to give a demo of Ancoris CFO Lab. Ancoris is a premier Google partner based in the UK. Working closely with Google, we help our clients to accelerate their journey across three main areas: enabling a digital workplace, driving business transformation, and achieving a data-driven culture through actionable data insights. Last year, a survey of CFOs revealed the biggest challenges they face. At the top of the list was juggling too many responsibilities, and closely followed are the topic of this product. Number 2, managing cash flow, and number 3, lack of access to accurate real-time information. Furthermore, CFOs we have spoken to have highlighted some new challenges. Firstly, future revenues are severely disrupted and are increasingly difficult and time-consuming to model. Secondly, the need to model multiple what-if scenarios using concepts not seen before, such as the furloughing of staff. CFO Lab is a data analytics platform developed to help with the challenges CFOs are facing right now. The platform is aimed at key stakeholders responsible for the financial health of the business. We've defined CFO Lab to be simple to use. All data capture is done in a very familiar way using Google Sheets. CFO Lab easily connects to your accounting systems. These include SAP, Sage, Xero, and QuickBooks. Once connected, invoices, payments, credit notes, and bank transactions are streamed every hour into a secure, centralized data store in Google Cloud Platform. CFO Lab also captures the various manual inputs used to build your what-if scenarios. It then applies a series of calculations and AI algorithms to produce a set of actionable insights. CFO Lab revolutionizes cash flow forecasting. These screenshots are taken from CFO Lab's interactive forecasting dashboard served in Looker. This is a baseline scenario with no additional inputs. In this mode, CFO Lab will take the actuals from your data and project these forward to build the forecast. The top chart shows your daily actual and forecasted cash balance for a time period of your choice. The bottom chart shows a detailed breakdown of your cash flow month on month. The green line shows cash in, the red line shows cash out. The blue line with the shading is your cash balance. The grey and the black bars are your net cash flows. Above the line indicates a cash positive month. Finally, the pink bars show payroll related expenditure. The cash flow model we have here is of a fictitious retailer with clear seasonal fluctuations. One problem area is in the run up to Christmas we see a strong downward pressure on cash flow due to inventory stockpiling. What levers can we pull to help relieve this? Well, the Google Spreadsheets can capture a variety of what-if scenarios. Here, I'll demonstrate just one with a brief mention of some others at our disposal. Let's explore the option of negotiating more favourable payment terms with our suppliers. For Supplier Payments, we navigate to the Payables tab in our input spreadsheet. Clicking on the refresh button populates the area in orange, with all payments aggregated to show one row per supplier and ordered by impact on our cash flow. To help our October cash flow, we negotiate more favourable terms with our main supplier, Mindis Marketing Limited. We enter the extended terms of 120 days together with a start date of 1st of June into our model. What does our October cash balance look like now? Much healthier. How easy was that? However, there is an important implication. Extending payment terms is simply deferring the payment. It still needs to be paid back. This is normally messy and incredibly hard to keep track of, but CFO Lab easily computes these, shown in the lower graph as the red bars, giving you the figures needed to help make these kinds of decisions. Other what-if scenarios that can be captured within CFO Lab include payroll adjustments. Perhaps we'd like to investigate the impact of furloughing staff. Or maybe we have some prospective business proposal. The new Payments tab within the input sheet accounts for both one-off and recurring payments. CFO Lab responds in real time to these scenarios, turning what was once a laborious task into something that can be modelled in seconds. Forecasting is not the only feature to CFO Lab. It is designed to be your aid in all things managing money. Another dashboard that is part of the package is accounts receivable. These are broken down by invoice status. This is whether they are settled as paid, still outstanding, and so on. The first section deals with those which are overdue. Ordering your contact by the amount owed, weighted by the days overdue, you can see straight away how you need to be prioritising your cash recovery. Being powered with Looker also gives us some useful functionality to your dashboards. We include hyperlinks to the invoice itself within your accounting platform, as well as the ability to click on a company name to see all of their overdue invoices. These extra actions really make navigating CFO Lab a breeze. The upcoming payment section deals with invoices sent but not yet expected. On the left here we have a breakdown by days until due. But do you ever find yourself wondering whether an invoice just sent will be paid late? Leveraging the excellent AutoML offering from Google, the AI analyzes known features about the invoice and associated company to make a prediction about whether we can expect to see it paid on time. Furthermore, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about how AutoML came to that conclusion, we offer the ability to drill down into the certainty to see the underlying features that went into the prediction model. Last but not least, the settled section deals with those invoices which are settled. We've put together a suite of fascinating analytics to unearth previously buried insights into your data. Customer clusters is another dashboard included as part of the CFO Lab offering. For some context, clustering is a machine learning technique used to discover some naturally occurring patterns in your dataset. In this dashboard, we pass through your invoice data and let it find these patterns. On this fictitious retailer, the AI has discovered these clusters. Tagged with a name, we can see that the Comfort Zone cluster contains our good payers, with complete and timely payments. On the other hand, those in the watch list are infamous for late or no payments. Underneath, we have more information about the clusters, and further below, we have an exhaustive list of which cluster each of our customers were assigned to, as well as the features which dictated that assignment. If you're looking for a particular customer, just find them with a filter. On the roadmap, we'll be expanding the capabilities of this dashboard, with the ability to see how these clusters have evolved over time, tracking when a customer is upgraded or downgraded between these clusters, and even setting up alerts for when that happens. Finally, thank you for your interest in Ancora CFO Lab. If you'd like some more information, please do reach out to the contact information provided here, and we'll be happy to discuss further.